Hello everybody, in this video we're starting to learn how to write test cases with the Unittest framework. A test case is the individual unit of testing. It checks for a specific response to a particular set of inputs. So let's start PyCharm and create new project. Okay, and now create a new Python file. And let's name it Test Futures A. Let's import Unittest framework. Now let's create some test case. For that we're going to create a new class. For example, let's call it Futures A test case and make it inherit from the Unittest test case class. Test case is a base class provided by Unittest library which may be used to create new test cases. Instances of the test case class represent the logical test units in the Unittest universe. This class implements the interface needed by the test runner to allow it to drive the tests. The simplest test case subclass will simply implement a test method whose name starts with test word, in order to perform specific test code. So next I'm going to create a new test method. Let's name it testStringUpper. And for example, this method will testing a feature which transforms a string to uppercase. So we can type self dot. And it will present us a list of assert methods of base class to check different conditions we could use. And here we will use commonly used method called assert equals. This method will check that first and second arguments are equals, so we can write a simple assertion. Upper. Now I'm going to add a short boilerplate idiom to start application, as it's commonly in Python language. Okay, let's run our application. Alright, it's saying one test is run successfully. Okay. So let's copy test method. And now we change string upper method which called inside assert equals to lava. So now it should transform string to lowercase, but second argument we intentionally leave without change. Let's run test again. Alright, now it's saying two tests run, but one test is failure because assertion in second test method is not satisfied because uppercase received, so it works as expected. So, in this video we covered base unit test feature like a test case and wrote some very simple tests. The unit test framework a very powerful thing, so feel free to go to the next video to learn it in greater depth.